boss if you don't handle biz. Real men stay on 10, take care of their kids. You boys talking too much, it's time to show them in. I did shows around the globe and never took a cent. That might have went over your head, I be thinking different. I bought real estate before I went and bought the Bent. I had suntan.